Hey there, beautiful people. Are you ready to transform your hair game? Today, I'm going to share a secret formula that promises to give you long and thick hair in just 1 month. And the best part? It's all natural. First up, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. We'll be using coconut oil, castor oil, aloe vera gel, and rosemary essential oil. These are all fantastic for promoting hair growth and improving hair health. Let's start with coconut oil. This magical ingredient is known for its deep conditioning properties and ability to penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss. Next, we have castor oil. This oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting faster and healthier hair growth. Now let's talk about aloe vera gel. This soothing gel is packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the scalp and hair follicles, reducing dandruff and itching. Finally, we have rosemary essential oil. This powerhouse oil stimulates hair growth and even helps prevent hair loss by improving blood circulation to the scalp. All right, let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix everything well until you have a smooth, consistent blend. Now it's time to apply the mixture. Start by parting your hair into sections. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the mixture directly to your scalp and massage it in gently. Make sure to cover your entire scalp and work the mixture through the lengths of your hair. Once you've applied the mixture, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for at least an hour. For best results, I recommend doing this treatment twice a week. Consistency is key, and you'll start noticing visible results within a month. Your hair will be longer, thicker, and healthier than ever before. Remember, the journey to beautiful hair is all about patience and dedication. So embrace these natural ingredients and watch your hair transform. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more all-natural beauty tips. And of course, I'd love to hear about your hair growth journey. So leave a comment below with your progress and any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.